Hello, let me show you 5 the best features of camera on POCO X7 Pro. And the first one, it will be definitely this teleprompter in the video mode. Take a look. So right here, you can go straight, input your phrases, and you can start recording videos and read whatever you want. This is like great extension, and honestly, I don't remember any phone with this kind of the feature. This is probably the first phone with teleprompter that you can find. So yeah, that's great, cool feature for video creators. Next one, it will be definitely the 50 megapixel mode and also the optic image stabilization. So thanks to these two features, you can capture really high resolution photos. They will look really nice. You can zoom in and crop from the photos. You can even take some kind of the macro photos with 50 megapixel mode and optic image stabilization support. Next, what I also really like about this phone, that when you go into the settings, we can find timed burst. And what it does, basically, it takes the specific number of the photos that you're gonna set. Like for example, if you want to capture 240 photos, you can do this, and your phone gonna automatically capture photo. So I'm gonna set interval for 2 seconds, click here, and now take a look. After 2 seconds, the photos will be taken up to 240. So it's especially useful for some group photos. Of course, you can cancel this anytime. So the photos are saved together. Like you take this, series of the photos. So now we can click here and select any photo that you want to save. Next, when you go inside the settings, we can find support for HDR. Take a look. We got HDR 10 Plus and HDR 10, so we can record high resolution videos and it will optimize colors and the dynamic range. Next, when we are here, we can also find an additional shutter button. And what it does, basically, when you swipe up like this, you can just bring it into any side of your screen. So it will be much easier sometimes, especially when you hold your phone with one hand. So you don't have to reach for this button. You can just put this one wherever you want. And the last thing that I really like is the slow motion with 960 frames per second in full HD. That's cool extension. So yeah, this is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe.